The winner of the 2014 Medium Duty Truck Award is the International TerraStar 4x4. This sharp-looking star was hitched to a heavy trailer to demonstrate its strong pulling ability, and its stake-side body would be useful in intended applications. Judges appreciated its tilting hood for easy access to the engine and accessories. It was also very roomy inside and just a lot of fun to drive. May I ask the representative of Navistar International to join us at the podium?
My name is Dave Manella. I represent ATD here as the local dealer in New Orleans, but on behalf of Navistar and the International brand, we're very humbled to receive this honor, and Navistar and International is pleased to present these types of products and has a very bright and promising future. Thank you.